Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Luceli. Today I thought I'd pick up the camera and do a little bit of vlog style. I'm gonna be cooking dinner, so I wanted to show you guys. Let me go ahead and show you. And if you're not new, please subscribe. I meant if you're new, please subscribe below. Okay, so this is what I'm making tonight. I'm gonna be making some birria. This is gonna be my second attempt at making it. The first time I made it, it was a little dry, so I got beef chuck steak. I think that's what it was called. This is 2 pounds, and then I'm gonna add salt, half an onion, and 2 bay leaves into this big pot of water, and yeah. It's nice and slow. 2 leaves.
Hello, my name is Roger.
Okay, you want? And then show it.
This is the food right now.
And then it's gonna be on a medium heat, and then we'll come back when it's foaming at the top to take it off.
Bye.
Okay, while that's cooking, I'm gonna make myself a coffee because it's late in the afternoon and I need the energy. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you really quick how I make my coffee. Here's my coffee cup. This is the one I use. Focus. Yeah, it didn't focus. So I normally put ice like all the way up. Because I like my coffee iced. I put a metal straw in, and then normally my favorite creamer is French vanilla, but I have this one open right now. It's the caramel macchiato creamer, which is super good too, but we're gonna just finish this one. And then I do like to put more creamer than normal, so don't judge me. And then mix it up, wait for it to get cold. And this is what gets me through the evening. I need to clean my room, so that's probably what I'll be doing. Maybe I'll get some help. So there's no foam on top of this, so I'm just gonna continue letting it boil for like an hour and a half. I'm gonna add some salt, to each its own with the salt. So this is probably how much I'm gonna put for now. Okay. And then I need to make the salsa, so let me show you what I'm gonna put in the salsa. Chile California, I think. And then I'm gonna put 2 tomatoes. I'm also gonna put these chile de árbol, and then 2 cloves of garlic. And we're gonna let that come to a boil. I'm also making some rice, so stay tuned for that. Right now I'm just making it brown. And then here's my meat. It's looking good, guys. Okay, so now I'm gonna clean my room. I forgot about my coffee.
No!
It wish me luck. I did a little cleanup in the afternoon because I didn't make my bed this morning because I had to run out, had some errands to do. Today was my son's last day of school. I'm so out of breath. So I had to go turn in his iPad, you know, school stuff. And so yeah, I didn't have time to make my bed, so I made it right now. Oh, you can see my TV. So let me show you a little bit of my room. So we have a bunk bed, and then I vacuumed the floor because it was super dirty. There's our closet. Yeah, I'm just in pajamas, don't care. Here's yeah, my TV. Here's my desk area, but as you can see, it's kind of looking like not a desk. Like, I don't know where the desk went. There, you could kind of see it. It's a disaster. I think I'm gonna clean it up a little bit, but I think I want to make a separate video on me like getting my desk ready. That'd be super exciting. Okay, so my meat has been cooking for like an hour and a half, so I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna see if it's tender to the touch and chop it up. So that needs more time. We'll be back. Now I'm gonna make the salsa. In here. I'm gonna let it thicken, and then here's my rice. Time to clean.
My name's Liz. I'm going to take a taste test for my mommy for her.
Thank you.
Let's try it. It's yummy. My name's Roger, and you saw me in the first part of the video, and I'm going to be trying. I'm Rice.
Okay.
And I'm Roger's brother.
Okay, try. Okay, what did you think about it, Raj?
It was pretty good.
10 out of 10?
Yeah. For the rice, pretty much 10 out of 10. It was a little hot on the chicken, so I'm gonna have to give it an 8.
It was spicy on the meat.
Yeah.
Royce, you're gonna give it an 8. Royce, how about you?
I'm gonna chicken a 9 because
It's meat, it's not chicken.
I give the meat a 9 because it's pretty good.
Okay, and the rice?
And I give it the rice like a 6.
And that's how you feed the boys. Say bye.
Bye.